The SecurityMan ClockCam Wi-Fi allows you to discreetly monitor your home or business on your mobile device anytime from anywhere in the world.
And now you're probably wondering, what could we possibly do with this? Well, if you have a babysitter, if you have someone coming to check on your pet, if you have a contractor coming, or you just want to spy on someone, you could use this for that particular purpose. Now, you can definitely tell what's happening in whatever recordings you have. And these are a few recordings that I've done with this camera.